What has amplified me is technology. And that is part of what we're going to be sharing here. And that is one of the philosophies of the Young Techies Festival.
We had the vision to reach out to young people, and we know that young people have the energy and the strength and the curiosity.
How can I use it to help somebody else? How can I use it to help the over 20 million Nigerian children who are out of school? Think beyond yourself.
We're here to share our experience from being the first runner-up in the National Girls in ICT competition.
My app has a register or login page where you register.
We use Firebase database as a database for our app so that history of users can be kept in the app as always, whenever they want to check.
Children are like arrows. How far they go depends on how well you do them. Let's continue them well.